Pollution. The presence of harmful substances in the environment, damaging air, water, or land. The city has serious air pollution problems. Factories near the river are a major source of water pollution. Reducing pollution is essential for protecting wildlife. The government passed new laws to limit pollution from vehicles. Pollution can lead to severe health problems for humans and animals.